close your eyes for a moment and remember the last time someone asked you to speak in English. Your heart started beating fast, your throat became dry, your mind went empty. You knew the answer, but the words did not come. You smiled and stayed silent. If this has ever happened to you, then this podcast is not just audio. This is your story. Today, I am not here to teach you grammar. I am not here to give you big rules. I am here to tell you how 1 month, only 30 days, changed my life from a silent person in the corner to someone who can speak without fear. Listen to this till the end, because maybe this month will be your month. 1 month ago, I was a different person. In college, I had ideas, but no voice. In meetings, I had answers, but no courage. In public, I had confidence, but only in my own language. Whenever someone spoke in English, I started checking my phone. I started pretending I was busy. Not because I did not understand, but because I was afraid to reply. Afraid of mistakes. Afraid of laughter. Afraid of being judged. One day, something happened that broke me completely. I went for an interview. The interviewer smiled and said, "Tell me about yourself." I had practiced this answer for 2 days, but when the moment came, my mouth opened and nothing came out. Just one line. "Sorry, my English is weak." That day, I came home and did not talk to anyone. Not because they said something, but because I said nothing. That night, I looked at myself in the mirror and asked, "How long will you live like this?" I was not angry. I was tired. Tired of translating in my mind. Tired of missing opportunities. Tired of feeling small. I opened my phone and searched, "Can I learn English in 1 month?" Most people said, "No, impossible." But one line changed my life. English is not a subject. It is a daily habit. That night, I made a promise, not to learn English, but to live in English for 30 days. Day 1, a small start. I did not buy any book. I did something very simple. I changed my phone language to English. Suddenly, settings became a teacher. Notifications became lessons. I was scared, but also excited. Days 2 through 5, only listening. I stopped forcing myself to speak. I only listened. While brushing my teeth, English podcast. While traveling, English stories. Before sleeping, English videos. I did not understand everything, but slowly, English stopped sounding fast. It started sounding normal, like music. Day 6, talking to myself. This was the most strange day. I stood in front of the mirror and said, "Hello, how are you?" I laughed at myself, but I continued. "I am getting ready for college. I am feeling hungry. Today, I am tired." Broken sentences, wrong grammar, but real voice. For the first time, I heard myself speaking English. Day 10, the painful fall. On day 10, I tried to speak with a friend in English. After 2 lines, I stopped. He switched to our native language. That moment felt like a knife in my heart. I came home and thought, I cannot do this. But then I remembered my interview, that silence, that pain, and I said, not again. Day 12, the powerful method. I found a magical technique, shadowing. I played a short video and spoke with the speaker. Same speed, same emotion. First day, impossible. Third day, difficult. Fifth day, improvement. My tongue became faster. My fear became smaller. Day 15, thinking in English. Something beautiful started happening. I was walking on the road and my mind said, the weather is nice today. In English, not translation, direct thought. That day, I realized English was entering my life. Day 18, real-world practice. I went to a cafe and I ordered in English. My voice was shaking, but I completed the sentence. The person understood. He replied in English. That small conversation felt bigger than passing an exam. Day 22, the confidence moment. In an online class, the teacher asked a question. Normally, I stayed silent, but that day, my hand raised automatically. I spoke. Not perfect, but complete. Nobody laughed. Some students even smiled. That day, I did not learn English. I learned confidence. Day 30, the new me. After 30 days, I was not fluent, but I was fearless. And that changed everything. Because language grows with use, but confidence starts with courage. I learned that you don't need perfect grammar to start. You need daily practice. You don't need a partner. You can speak to yourself. You don't need 5 hours. You need 1 focused hour. Most importantly, you are not bad at English. You are just afraid of mistakes. And mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Today, my life is different. I speak in meetings. I answer in class. I make new connections. I watch the world without subtitles. English did not change my language. It changed my personality, from shy to expressive, from silent to confident, from afraid to alive. If you are listening to me right now, feeling that this story is your story, then don't wait for next month. Start tomorrow morning. 30 minutes listening, 20 minutes speaking to yourself, 10 minutes shadowing. Only this for 30 days. And I promise you will not become perfect, you will become powerful. 1 month ago, I was sitting in a dark room, thinking my life would never change. Today, I am speaking to you without fear. So if you think you cannot learn English, remember, maybe you don't need more time. Maybe you just need 1 brave decision, and that decision can start today. If this story touched your heart, then don't just listen. Start your 30-day journey from today. You are not weak in English. You only need daily practice and belief in yourself. If you felt motivated, please like this video and share it with a friend who is afraid to speak English. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Daily English, where we learn together step by step. Your support gives us the power to create more life-changing lessons for you. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking. See you in the next episode.